Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Hello everybody guys, let's take a look also today at the Bitcoin market. So price action recent few sessions, it's really quiet. Market mostly stands flat, and although we talked about possible higher retracement in previous few updates, and it really has started, but it slowed down recently and market actually hasn't reached the level that we have predefined initially. Currently it's really mixed situation on the Bitcoin market. Which, well, really not very fascinating for taking in new positions currently. So if you have the position with a broken, protecting break-even stop loss order, so you could probably keep this position, because situations done so that market keep chance on both directions and also shows the signs of the possible action in both directions, which makes overall situation really contradictory. On the daily chart, what we have flat standing and forming few bullish grabbers. These grabbers suggest that market should take it out of the previous top, and that actually the reason why we talked about the possible minor A, B, C, bottom, D pattern right back up to this top. That's the reason was. And these new grabbers also have appeared here that makes this chance possible. But at the same time, if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, let's take a look at the overall price action here. That's the bounce that we have discussed. It's significantly slower than this leg, and market wasn't able to complete the target that we've got. So this was slowed down, sell off. Here's when the pullback market wasn't able to reach the upper border of this triangle. So mostly it looks like the consolidation. The consolidation in turn is triangle consolidation after the sell off. Also doesn't contradict the idea of the possible downward continuation here. That's why theoretically, well, it's possible any scenario that we have, so as to the upside as to the downside, and well, in the current circumstances it would be better to either sit on the hands and see what will happen, because Bitcoin probably should either erase these grabbers and start dropping, or it should show some upward breakout. At the same time, if you're watching our other updates, the gold market and euro currency, in other markets, we suggest that it should be deeper retracement, some downward continuation. So as Bitcoin stands in relation to United States dollar, it's probably, well, in the current circumstances, indeed, maybe the chance that for the downward action is more probable. So at least we could consider, for example, this kind of action. So it could be minor pattern that makes no impact on the high time frames, on the daily, on the 4 time frame chart, but maybe it will work. So some kind of the downward continuation here in completion of the triple to buy pattern, something of that sort. So nothing else currently. Well, we don't have something really new, so we just need to sit in the hands and wait for some major breakout, or at least when the market will move some crucial points. For example, on the 4-hour time frame chart, if you remember, we talked about this large butterfly, and our destination point was around 11 even. So that's why maybe it makes sense if upward action will start, wait for completion, some kind of the A, B, C, D, and approaching with the market to this 11 even area, and this may be something we could do. But currently, inside of the consolidation, well, it's not much what we could really trade.